What's Grandpa Dan doing?
Oh, you doing a video?
I'm doing a video.
Doing a video.
He was smiling and sticking out his tongue, Grandpa Dan.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, stick your tongue out at me. Atta boy. That's it. Yeah.
Good boy. Make an excited face. You did it.
Here we go, Declan. We're going to stick the tongue out. We're going to stick it out at Mama. Okay, Mama. Here we go. Boy, that's the tongue. Yeah.
Good boy. He's totally doing it.
Nope.
He did it.
Nope. Nope. Atta boy.
Doing it.
Oh, yeah.
Come on, watch him. He's really imitating Dan.
Mm-hmm.
There's Daddy. Want to stick your tongue out at Daddy? Hey, Daddy. I'm yawning.
Hi, buddy. Hi. What's Grandpa Dan doing? What's he doing?
He's being a fool. Can't you see that?
Silly.
Grandpa Dan is acting like he's 4 months old.
It's crazy. No.
He's sticking his tongue out at me. Yeah.
He's doing
He's
it, though.
teaching me how to stick my tongue out. Yes, 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 yes. Yes, 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 yes.
Aww. I'm done with this game.
Good boy. Come on, we'll pick you up. Okay.
All better.
There you go. There you go. There you got your hand. Yeah.